Here we are. The Bird Theater Festival is beginning with the opening night of The Visit tonight. Woo! And the place is all set up for the visitors. The cafe is open. And there is the most beautiful gift shop with handmade gifts.
Thank you for including that.
A lot of birds to symbolize bird theater. And here are our castmates buying souvenirs.
It's true.
Here's our artistic director having some fun during the break.
You gotta find the fun when you can. Coming at you.
In front of our outdoor theater space and the Bird Theater building. Bye-bye taxis, thank you for bringing us here. Let's head into rehearsal.
Yeah.
Bye, director. Here is our dressing room. So this is me and my co-star Anne Flanagan. We are on this side overlooking the outside space. Here are our names. And that's me. Hi. The last show before we say goodbye to Mother Courage Wagon that has served us faithfully in Japan as well. Beautifully built by our Japanese crew. The crew is getting ready. Let's do this. Last trip to our dressing room. Hello, enjoy. And there's Anne.